Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you a home body weight workout. You can be doing this from anywhere, no gym or no weights are needed for this, and it involves a lot of supersets, and let's begin. So I'm going to start off with the legs into an upper body exercise. By doing this, you can actually get a load of blood into the lower body and straight into the upper body, which is a great way of burning fat and also getting on some lean muscle. So I'm going to take it off from now. I'm going to start off with some squats. So I'm going to have feet a bit wider than shoulder width, toes slightly out. I'm going to sit back, ideally to 90 degrees, and then push straight back up like that. I'm going to do 10 of these. Superset some push-ups on the floor. So, going to be hands a bit wider than shoulder width. We're going to lower ourselves to the floor, and then a big push-up like that to the top. If that's too hard, go on your knees like this, and then cross your feet over, and you're doing the same thing. If it's too easy, you can make it explosive. You can do a push-up, clap, and then back into it like that. So it'll be a squat superset with push-up. Next on the list, I've got another leg exercise, so a Bulgarian split squat. So you need a foot on a bench, a chair. In this case, I've got a chair. So one foot on, other foot in front, a few feet forward, because if you're too far close to the seat, you're not going to get a good range of motion, you're not going to feel anything. Get this foot, a few steps in front, try and hold balance. Chest up all times, and then lower yourself down, a nice dip. Try and get the weight onto the middle of your foot to the outside of your foot, and then push straight up to the top and back down. So a nice stretch, works the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes at the same time. I'll do 10 each leg. Too easy, you can hold some weights, whatever you got. So let's switch leg. Again, this one takes a bit of positioning practice. And as you can see, I get a nice stretch in the bottom, and then back up. And then into an exercise that will work my core and a bit of the arms and the back muscles. So it's going to be a Renegade Row body weight. I'm going to into a press up position, quite neutral grip, close grip. I'm going to raise my arm into the air, squeeze my back muscle and down like that. So my elbow just going straight back, squeezing the back and then back down like that. And then we can pick the pace up as we get more comfortable with it. Okay, third superset is tricep dips, so for the arms. Again, you need a bench, a chair, back to the chair again. Hands on the edge of the bench, feet straight out. Easier method is feet close to you. To make it harder, get the legs a bit more straight. You want to have your elbows quite close to the side of the body. I'm going to get my ass in front of the chair, so I'm not too close. I'm going to dip down, nice range of motion, and push back up like that. Dip down, and back up. Do 10 of those, and then into mountain climbers. Again, great cardiovascular and great for the abs. So, it's going to be press up position one more time. Keep going into this one. Body straight, one leg forward, same leg goes back as the other leg goes forward, like that. And we're now building up the speed as we go along. And this one's a great burner. Okay, and I'll do that for about 20 seconds. Unless you have a really slippery floor like I have, that's an awful footwear, which a bit less for me this time. So yeah, guys, 3 exercises, give them a go, 3 rounds, get the fat burning done.